Hey everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. That's right, we have arrived in Berlin. I've got Ruben here, the magician behind the camera, and we're going to wander through the Estrel, which is where it's all held over a couple of days. So join us as we wander through. We'll see all sorts of stuff, right from little mum and pa stores with coins through to people that make coins and capsules and machinery and all sorts of things. It's incredibly exciting, one of the biggest displays in the world. So come along and join us for it. We are here backstage. We've got the backstage pass. We are here while they're constructing everything, so it's all systems go. We've already had some incredibly positive meetings, so stay tuned for both interviews later on and also some exciting new products arriving into Bullion Now later on throughout the year. It will take a few months to flow through, but you will see some great stuff from new people, new organisations, and some of the golden oldies as well. So it's all very exciting. All wandering around, you can already see some of the labelling going up of the different people we'll be talking to and the different things you'll see.
Coin, you know, it's alien technology. I will say no more.
For those that I haven't met, my name's Paul Graham, and it's a pleasure, absolute pleasure to be here in Berlin with amongst a great community that I'm getting to know. I've heard about this for many, many years. We used to have a banking equivalent called Cybos, and I can tell you this is much better. I've really thoroughly enjoyed my week in Germany and certainly here in Berlin, and for those that I've met, thank you for making me and the team at the Perth Mint feel really welcome. The Perth Mint, most of you will know very, very well. 1899, it's our 125th year in operation this year, which is quite remarkable, and we're still doing what we were doing 125 years ago when we were producing the gold sovereigns throughout the British Empire. And it reminds me of being here this week just how international this industry is and the game that I'm now in. It's fair to say that it's an industry you've got to keep remaining very innovative, competitive. You've got to continue to invest so we can help all of you achieve your goals. And we will do that. That's my commitment. I also want to thank all of you who are here tonight for your support and the relationship that you provide the business. I won't say too much more other than there's lots of drinks, there's lots of food, enjoy some Australian Aussie hospitality, and I look forward to catching up with all of you soon. Kind regards.
So we're actually here after hours. We've snuck out of an event and we snuck into this room here, and if you look carefully in the background of the footage, you can actually possibly see this is the Perth Mint presentation area. You might even be able to see things that you're not actually meant to see before embargo and release date. So don't tell Perth Mint that we've snuck in here and we'll just slide it into the video.
What was this in your food?
Sorry, mate? Hey everyone, we've found the Germania Mint stand, which it's actually quite big. It stretches around on all four sides, but I've got this one here and I love it. I reckon, and make comments down below if you think we should get something like this with, I don't know, what do you reckon, Ruben? Bullion Now Collector Series, Bullion Now Limited. Bullion Now, this looks much better than a effigy of Michael. Something along those sort of lines. I'll get this wrong. Kaan,
Yes, exactly, sir.
look at that. I'm improving. Has agreed to let me play around with a 400 ounce gold bar. So $1.2 million in Australian dollars of gold there. Hey everyone, so we're wrapping up this time at the World Money Fair in Berlin, and it has been an amazing week. It has been an exhausting week, but it has been an absolutely amazing week. So we've made some really good contacts. We've seen some incredible products that are coming out later on in the year, so stay tuned for those. We will give sneak hints and all sorts of things as the months go by. You'll even see some in the backgrounds of Ruben's videos. So we're looking forward to an exciting 24. We're even more looking forward to, I should say, a great 2025 when we get to come back and do this all over again. So a big shout out to particularly the likes of Germania Mint and Perth Mint for making us so welcome on their stands and with their presentations and things like that. It's been fantastic. Stay tuned. We will see you again very soon back in Australia.